Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Winter is almost here and it's that time of the season when coughs and colds are common. And I always go through winter with this ginger drink I am about to share. This drink is so refreshing and it's loaded with lots of health benefits. It boosts immunity, it relieves nausea, it reduces inflammation and many more. Let's get started. I will start by cutting or peeling off the rotten or bad part of the ginger. Over here, I have my ginger all thoroughly rinsed and cleaned with the skin on. Cut them into sizable pieces. I do not peel off my ginger. I always include the ginger skin peel whenever I'm cooking. Ginger is known for its medicinal properties. It boosts immune system and many more. Add dried red whole chili. Make sure you rinse it. I like my ginger drink spicy, but if you like it mild, just reduce the chili pepper. This whole chili pepper is going to give the juice that spicy chili kick. Add water and blend. Chilies are also packed with antioxidants and are rich in vitamins. Welcome. If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, sexy chick. Before I pour the ginger mixture into the fine mesh strainer, I always open the windows and wear a face mask to avoid coughing and sneezing continuously, because the chili I added to the ginger can cause irritation to the eyes and nose, which can cause burning sensation to the eyes, coughing and sneezing continuously. So open the windows and wear a face mask, okay? Strain it and squeeze to extract the juice. I'm going to blend the rest of the ginger. Add water. And before I blend, I always press the pause button to crush the ginger before I blend. Strain. And extract the juice. I'm going to blend the ginger pulp again to extract more juice. Strain. And again extract the juice. Blend the pulp one more time to extract more juice. I'm going to strain this into another bowl as the other bowl is full. I'm now going to pour the ginger juice through a cheesecloth to get rid of any excess ginger pulp. I love using cheesecloth. It just gets the job done. I will add some lemon into this ginger juice. Lime also works great in this recipe, so use what you prefer. I will extract juice from these lemons using my lemon squeezer. And this lemon squeezer does the job beautifully. Check it out. Okay, now I'm done juicing all the lemons and I'm going to add it to the ginger juice. Lemon has a lot of health benefits. It's rich in vitamin C, it aids in weight loss, and a lot more. Add sugar. You can use brown sugar and you can also use honey. So it depends on what you want. Stir continuously to make sure all the sugar is dissolved. I'm going to add in some cloves. I love using cloves in my ginger juice. I always include cloves in my ginger juice. I do not blend them, I just drop them in like that. Adding cloves into this ginger drink gives it a unique flavor. Cloves is loaded with multiple health benefits. As you can see, there are a lot of undissolved sugar in the drink, so keep stirring till the sugar completely dissolves. Cover it and let it sit for about 4 to 6 hours to allow the cloves to infuse into the ginger drink. My ginger drink is ready and I'm going to bottle it in 2 shades. For the lighter shade, I will collect the top of the ginger drink without stirring or mixing it up. And for the second shade, I will stir up the drink and bottle it. And this shade is my favorite. I prefer this ginger drink, but my mom prefers the lighter shades. Voila! My spicy ginger drink is ready. I served the spicy ginger drink with the cloves in it because it continuously flavors the ginger drink and it's also edible anyway. The mixture of spice and sweet makes this ginger drink taste amazing. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. To my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. And to my old subscribers, thank you all so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Until the next video, bye for now.
Welcome. If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, Sax Kitchen. We make everything African, yeah. For your foods and snacks, know that we got your back. Gentle ladies, welcome to Sax Kitchen.